Show me some love. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.
Tips for successful distance learning. Dedicate a workspace. Make a space for learning. Kids work best in a quiet place. Have a comfortable chair and a desk to work on. Dedicate this space for learning, not the same space used for watching TV or sleeping. Be sure to maintain supplies like Wi-Fi connection, pencils and paper, login information, textbooks, etc. Another tip is school clothes. Getting new school clothes will help them feel like school is really starting and may encourage them to get dressed for school. One of the most important tips is creating a routine. Wake up, brush your teeth, freshen up, get dressed, and eat breakfast. Apps, games, and texting can be fun, but they're also distracting. No cell phones until after the assignments are successfully completed. Set and keep a schedule. Post the schedule on a wall near the workspace. Be present. Check for participation. Check for engagement. Ask questions after the lesson. Have conversations with them about what they are learning and about their assignments. Look at their work and get them to talk about it. Take breaks. Set alarms just like at school and encourage them to get up and get some fresh air. Go for a walk outside, have a snack, and use the restroom. Create a community. Talk with other parents to share strategies that work. Stay in contact with the school and teachers to support your child's education. Connect your child with goal-oriented students and good role models. Here's an important tip: positive attitude. Model positivity to your child, celebrating small victories while maintaining positive attitudes. Don't be overcome by stress. Be flexible. The school day will look very different than the traditional school day. Do you have any at-home learning tips? If you do, please share them in the comments section. Be sure to watch my other videos and subscribe so you don't miss a thing.
Help me disrupt YouTube's algorithm by liking this video, commenting on this video, sharing this video, and subscribing to my channel. Thanks. I appreciate it.